Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's me here, Mumbara14, and today is something interesting. Look, sorry for the lack of posts, but just in school, and I had a meeting, and and we are gonna see and something very interesting today happening in Easter eggs. Well, well, as you can see here, right in front of me is Android 17 came out. So I'll explain this to you around and get into it. So when you download the app, Easter eggs made by GitHub, actually when you do the Android 16 Easter egg, all you gotta do is just do this. You might think you're just gonna hold it, but no, it's actually not gonna be like that. But just like draw like something like this. They, no wait, they must draw like this, and then yeah, this thing shows up, and then you wanna hold it. But actually, let me tell you a secret quick. This thing actually, when it, but it actually launches Android 16. I thought it was gonna come in August. When like, I told my brother like Android 17 was gonna come in like August this year, but actually May. So I'm turning 11 this year. So yeah, I think. See there, it launched Android 16. So it ain't real. Well, but all we just want to do is one about. Wait, what? When you what? You can. Nah, bro. Don't tell me you have to find full bodies. Bro, that's the easiest job in easiest thing in the whole world. Bro, when I launch Android 16, bro, nah, this is crazy, bro. Like bro, I find 9 bodies and that's the hardest job. But okay, so I need to find. I don't know what they GitHub added here, but is it Tarako Sigma K? It's a funny Easter egg dong. Look, it launches Android 16, but it has funny stuff to it. That's the thing. Okay, we got Sigma K3. Yo, I didn't wanna see what's a golden thing though, but nah. Let's just go here to this body here. Okay, so got Sigma K2. Bro, I didn't wanna see it, but we have to do like. Okay, one more. Wait, I swear to God, that's one. Where is it? Yeah, right? Oh. Yo, bro, that's actually kind of sick though.
What are you doing? It's Halloween. You know, and besides, it's a fruit punch flavored Dum Dum. That's my favorite. Fruit punch Dum Dum. I swear, if you don't stop that, I'm gonna shove this right up your nose. Yeah, I'd like to see you try. Freeze! Freeze! What are you?
Okay, we got all. So, wait, what?
My friend here is going to shoot you. How you gonna do that?
So,
Yes, I remember that, you idiot.
why don't I see this?
Yes, the guns are fake, but they're still inside. What about the bomb? Is the bomb fake? I don't know. He had a countdown. It looks pretty real. Get yourself to safety, sir. Come on, let's go.
Yo,
I'm gonna kill you. Not if I kill you first, huh? You moron! Freeze! When we get out of jail, you had better run. You're not gonna be able to run. I'm gonna break both your knees. Shut up, both of you. Or none of us will be able to run. What's the code to deactivate this? I don't want to spend the rest of my life in jail. You know what? Let's just let the bomb go off. Please! Lots of lives will be lost. There's an apartment next door.
but you know what? You might think this might be the end of the video. Nerd.
It's his birthday! It's that guy's birthday! That's the code to the bomb! Yeah, that doesn't help if we don't know what it is. You might be older than me, but you are so much dumber. Which makes sense.
I'm gonna end the video, Mumbara.
You only had a quarter of your actual...
Actually, no. It's actually more secrets because if we see her by Android 16, okay, no. If you.
We don't know it here. And this thing takes 6 digits. We need to disarm this now.
Okay, so. Yeah, there's a lot of. That's why this. It's almost like an Android 12 Easter eggs. This is why this app is called Easter eggs. And it's just a 3. Great. Just love it. Okay. It's like almost like Android 12. Android. No. Oh, we know Oreo have this. What about Nougat?
Well, kid, I wish you were my partner instead of this moron. Hey! You have the right to remain silent.
Okay, it's nothing. Just name me Mac face. Okay, whatever. There's not more to explain. Okay. I don't know.
Don't worry. Sure, everything's
And also forgot one thing when I was offline. I was gonna do a video, but I don't like Shiragi because it's not a good bug. If I tap, nothing happens, but if I hold, I don't know what. Okay, what about this key? If you press the K, yeah, it's accident. Version. And what about this? Okay. Oh yeah, and also to forgot, I got here are some widgets. If you want some, yeah, you can just download the app. I'm not gonna put the link in the subscription, but okay, so I'm just gonna do a snapshot review. This is just a sneak peek, right? This is just a sneak peek, but it actually launches. Yeah, as you can see, it's very peak. I think I'm gonna draw these, but I don't know. But we can see the timeline if we want to. So hello Android. Sunman, Bakalava, I don't know. Yeah, came out May or June.
Your son did quite a thing tonight. He's a hero. A hero? He helped us with a robbery. He showed a lot of courage and intelligence. Is this a Halloween trick? I don't think so.
2024.
I must say, what an incredible story. And what a brave young man who saved our city. I bet his mother is proud.
I am proud. You had it in you all along, Jay. You just needed a bigger tank.
2003 Upside Down Cake, Tarisma, and there's no sneak peeks, but 13.
Are you sure you want to be a boxer?
Mom, please stop treating me like a little kid. You saw what I did. I gotta go fight.
2021,
I'm rooting for you, son, but I think I'm gonna.
2020,
I can't stand to watch you get hit.
2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2014, 2013, 2013. You know what? Let's see the icon shape. Yeah. Perfect, baby. And we can see
I want you to stick him. Don't go easy. Alright? I want a touchdown. You hear me? And you stick him. Alright, let's go. Fight. Touchdown! That's it! How'd it go? How'd it work? Oh man, I thought I had you. Yeah, you would if you didn't have cement blocks for feet. No horsing around! Let's go! Like football! Okay, should we switch sides? I got a better idea. Maybe you sit this one out. Tristan! Get your butt in here! Me? Are you slow? You see another Tristan out there? But I don't know how to play football. It's about time you learn. You're darn near 18. I'm gonna make a man out of you. Now get over here.
Honey, don't look at me. You have to listen to your father.
Hey, don't worry. I won't tap either. I didn't just hear some nonsense. You're gonna go easy on him. You trying to make him weak? Boy, I want you to knock the wind out of your brother. Yes, sir. What are you? I'm an Emerson, sir. I didn't hear you. I'm an Emerson, sir. Ain't
Oh,
that
sorry,
right?
but
You don't stand for any weak links. And I suggest
if you
learn
wanna
how to be tough
get some
and make a
apps
hit.
on a rocket launcher, but I'd suggest you not do it. But I don't wanna get the upgrade by Easter eggs. Just get an Android 4.0. But you can get the Android market there, but because like everything is like free.
So how's the wrestling tournament going? Gonna bring home the state trophy? Yes, sir. You know I will. That's what I like to hear. Ain't no failures in
But
this family.
yeah, that's it.
And how's the
Peace.